but spilling that world never came. And they say that a hero can save us. I'm not gonna stand here and wait. I'll hold on to the wings of the eagles, watch as we all fly away. Now that the world isn't ending, it's love that I'm sending to you. It isn't the love of a hero, and that's why I fear it won't do. And they say that a hero can save us. I'm not gonna stand here and wait. I'll hold on to the wings of the eagles, watch as we all fly away. And they're watching us, they're watching us as we all fly away. And they're watching us, they're watching us as we all fly away. Yeah. And they're watching us, they're watching us as we all fly away. Whoa.
Yeah, I wish I would have known the annual sooner. I would have had a laser tail make a bunch of bottles. T-Rex bottles. That's the mouth of T-Rex. Yeah. There you go. He is the film artist.
I love it.
Huh? Hi, my name is Brandon Whitaker, Aerial Sales Manager for Rosenbauer. Today behind me is the 3 trucks for the Seneca Nation. The first truck is the Rosenbauer T-Rex. This truck is the most innovative and advanced aerial on the market. The next truck is a 4,700 gallon tanker pumper. This is one of the biggest tanker pumpers that Rosenbauer has built. The third truck is a Rosenbauer pumper. A basic pumper that's going to serve your community for all its needs, for structure fires, car fires, dumpster fires, you name it. Alright, so behind me we have the interior of the T-Rex. This T-Rex, all interior is Line-X black, heavy duty composite dash with a nice orange layout for your dash cluster. We also up above have the Hava shield with the computer mount and 2 pull strings for the air horns. As we walk back towards the back of the truck, you have hot dip galvanized frame rails on all 3 trucks. This gives you that corrosion warranty for 25 years, which is very key in your territory. Looking back here, you can see you guys got the heavy duty tires for your winter weather and other winter climates. You also chose to have the fuel tanks Line-X also for that corrosion protection, which is extremely key. Walking over here now, we have the tanker. This is that 4,700 gallon tanker that you guys are speccing out. A long truck, hot dip galvanized, Line-X fuel tanks, beefy tires, and you can see it's a 2-person cab with a nice storage compartment right behind the driver and off to the side. Lots of room in there for you to store all your equipment. All of these trucks have the teardrop camera, so as you turn your blinkers on left and right, you're going to be able to see those blind spots as you're going around those tight corners. In the front of the truck, you can see we put the Seneca Nation symbol here, which is a fantastic, beautiful symbol. You also can remove this honeycomb grill and check all your fluids. You don't have to tilt the cab to check your basic fluids. Line-X again, once again, to give that heavy durability, corrosion resistance for you. Above, you can see we got heavy full lit light bars with 2 bra lights on each truck. The pumper over here has a big command light that's up way up there. You can see where the shroud is, and that shroud there is to help protect from trees and limbs as you're driving down those community areas with trees hanging over. You can see that the pumper tanker and the pumper itself are both going to have front bumper suctions, which is a fantastic spec for you guys.
$10 if you get your shovel.
Here it comes.